The future value of data, presented by Mustafa Yildirim and Mehmet Yildiz. So what is data? Data is the characteristics or information, which is usually numerical, that are collected through observations. Another way of defining this is that data is a set of values of qualitative or quantitative variables about people or objects. Data is like water. Firstly, data is abundant and essential. Second of all, it enables many other things such as allowing greater economic values to grow and develop more. However, by itself, data has little or no value compared to water. Data is like the air. First of all, data is all around us, and it lets things live in a way. Therefore, we will be nothing without data, and yet it is intangible and invisible like the air. So, why is data important to people? Firstly, data helps by finding solutions to problems by allowing organizations to more effectively determine the cause of a certain problem. Data allows organizations to visualize relationships between what is happening in different locations, departments, and systems. Second of all, data helps by improving people's lives. By allowing people to measure and take action, an effective data system can enable organizations to improve the quality of people's lives. Third of all, data helps by making informed decisions. Good data provides indisputable evidence, while assumptions or abstract observations might lead to wasted resources due to the taking action based on an incorrect conclusion. Lastly, as mentioned earlier, data is like the air and water for people, so without them, humanity would have no chance to survive.
Data value is processing to data using different analytics. It has mainly two parts. First one is production and the second one is also use part. There are different parts from production to using part, such as collecting of data, publication, uptake, and lastly impact. When you ask me why data is important, I can say it is important for power because we can liken as a chain rings since education is related with success. Success is important for improvements. Technology cannot be developed without improvements. And finally, power has no meaning absent of all this. We can say for next decade problems such as information pollution and loss of confidence will be seen most probably because every day unreliable data is collecting together and it causes trust problem in organizations since organizations cannot make any decision without right data. As a solution, we can found a trustable data clouds supported by academicians, experts, and operating by organizations have good respect in public. If we give example for it, we can say Wikipedia, Google Scholar, and Microsoft Academic Research Sites. For next decade, we need to take precautions until now. Our references. And thanks for listening.